Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time on your Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch is designed to automatically synchronize its time with your paired iPhone. To ensure accuracy, first confirm that your iPhone's date and time settings are set to set automatically. Simply open the Watch app on your iPhone, and any time adjustments made there will seamlessly update your Apple Watch display. While automatic syncing is standard, you can manually adjust the displayed time on your Apple Watch. Open the Settings app on your watch, then scroll down and tap Clock. Here, you can choose to set time and offset the displayed time by up to 59 minutes. Remember, this adjustment only changes the time shown on your watch face, not the actual system time. Your Apple Watch relies on your iPhone's location services to determine the correct time zone. To ensure accuracy, always enable Set Automatically for Time Zone within your iPhone's date and time settings. This ensures your watch displays the correct local time, whether you are traveling or at home. An incorrect time zone setting on your iPhone can lead to noticeable time discrepancies on your watch. If your Apple Watch time is still incorrect, try some troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your Apple Watch and your paired iPhone. Next, ensure both devices are running the latest software versions. For persistent issues, unpairing and then repairing your Apple Watch can often resolve the problem. Finally, check your iPhone for any pending carrier settings updates, which can sometimes affect time synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.